Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. And it's a great time to be alive. Wow, we're seeing the crypto markets exploding. Things are looking pretty good. Things are looking pretty peachy keen out there. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's jump into the content without any further delay, guys. If you're wondering where I am, this is one of our outlets in the hotel, guys. So if you're here in Vietnam, come and join us here in the Zero Bar, guys. Take a look at this. Woo! It's a great time to be alive, guys. Absolutely a great time to be alive. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Jump into the content. Let's jump into the content right now. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. Let's get it right now. Woo! Woo! Let's jump into the content without any further delay, ladies and gentlemen, everybody out there. So everybody must be looking and feeling pretty positive about what's happening in the crypto space right now. We're seeing overall the crypto market is going up and it's holding. It's absolutely holding. So this is really good news. And we could see hopefully $42,000 coming in. It looks like Dogecoin's about to go crazy, guys. We could see Dogecoin blasting off the moon. So we're going to cover the facts that Dogecoin is going to blast off. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the crypto markets. We're going to talk about some huge catalysts and some positive news for crypto space. And it looks like, the crypto community and the Dogecoin community, we're fighting back, and it looks like we're winning, guys. And we're going to jump into that right now, guys. So here we go. Here we go down the rabbit hole with the crypto OG in the house, guys. The Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! So get ready. Hold on to the phones, guys, and buckle up because it's going to be a huge moonshot, guys. So let's jump into this content without any further delay in the house. So right now, if we look at the pre-markets in the house, we're seeing that the Dow is down slightly. The S&P is up right now. The NASDAQ futures are up, and that's looking pretty good. NASDAQ is up pretty healthily, if that's a word, and it's up over 1%. So if we take a look at the fear and greed index in the house, we're seeing that this contrarian indicator is at 33. Yesterday we were at 20. So looks like we're moving on up, guys, and we're getting closer and closer to greed. And this has been fueled by the positive sentiment that we've seen out there for the biddy, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin right now is at $41,499 in the house. We've got some huge support, guys, some absolutely huge support. So this Debbie Downer red line is now going to become green. So it looks like we got some support around about 40,000. So the next resistance level is around about 42,000. So we need to knock the $42,000 level out of there. So we're going to get there pretty soon. We're getting gingerly close out there, guys and gals. So today we did hit a high of $41,956. So I'm pretty bullish. You should be bullish. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin is looking pretty good on the weekly. It's well above my purple rain line, and it's now become inside. It's now going inside this whole resistance box here. So this whole yellow box that was horizontal resistance for quite some time has now become positive, guys. So this looks pretty good, and looks like we could be breaking out to the upside. And our next target is going to be $42,000. So that is pretty bullish in house. So let's take a look at some of the recent tweets. So top 10 coins that are now mentioned on Twitter this week. We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XTZ, Shiba Inu, Doge, Cake, ADA, SFM, RARI, get your words out. So, and BTR. So right now, BTC is the number one King Daddy coins that everybody's talking about. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Keep smashing the likes. Keep commenting and keep subscribing to this channel. We got to talk about Dogecoin. Is going to grow crazy. It's going to go absolutely crazy, guys. It's going to go crazy in the membrane. So buckle up, guys. Buckle up. It's going to be a huge moonshot to the upside. So it looks like a Bart Simpson is telling the bears where to go, guys. So eat that, bears. You just got barted. And Bitcoin is going to the moon, guys. After a very nice RSI retest, Bitcoin broke out today, Bart style. So yesterday I was talking about the RSI, and it looks like we were going to have a breakout to the upside. So I did tell you this was going to happen. A lot of people out there were saying, "Oh, the OG doesn't know what he's talking about," and the OG just knows nothing. So all I got to say to you, Debbie Downers, the weak Nancys, the haters out there, and the people that are living under rocks, all I got to say is, yeah, you know nothing. And take a look at Bart, guys, because that's what I'm saying to the haters out there. So let's Bart style that Bitcoin. Let's Bart style the bears, guys. Bears are out of there. It looks like the bulls are coming back, and they're running, and they're in charge of the crypto space, guys. Well, that's a really good, huge news. So it looks like the breakout has been confirmed, guys. It's a bull trend breakout, and nothing's going to stop this bull run. Yeah, we might see some people taking a little bit of profits, in the next couple of days. But overall, we have nothing to worry about because the next big announcement that's coming out is going to be the CPI data, and that's coming out on Thursday the 10th. So I think this weekend is going to be a beautiful moonshot weekend. So you guys don't need to look at your portfolio, because the OG portfolio in the house is looking pretty good. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG expressing the opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You guys already know that. I have to keep saying that else I get myself in trouble. So you're seeing right now that our portfolio that we made back in July, it's had some ups, it's had some downs. We've had some tears and we've had some joy, but it looks like that we're totally looking pretty good now. We're up 39% is where we are. We're in $2,000 in profit. Remember, we started with $5,000, so things are looking pretty good. We're at $7,000, and in the last 24 hours, we've gone up 8%. So this is a huge, huge moonshot for the Bitcoin maxis, and Dogecoin is going to go crazy. So we've told the bears, Bart style, get out of town, guys. So absolutely get out of town. So it's looking pretty good. We're absolutely breaking out. This is a bull trend, guys. So the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now in the last hour, we've got BTC, we got Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Litecoin, Digibyte. Watch out, the Digibyte coin's going to bite you. And we got Wax, we got Geno, we got the Doge, and Smooth Love Potion in the house, guys. So those are some of the top coins that are being mentioned on Twitter. Some other interesting news is it looks like MIT and Boston Fed conclude the first phase of the CBDC research. And this is pretty bullish news in the house, because it looks like the Boston Fed and MIT have wrapped up their first phase of their CBDC project dubbed Hamilton. Hamilton, he's on one of the U.S. currency notes, right? So I think he's on Hamilton's. I think he's on the $5 note. I can't remember. Is it Hamilton or the 50? I don't know. Smash me up a comment, guys, and tell me, because the OG, I've been in Asia such a long time that the last time I touched some U.S. currency was like, I don't know, it's like 10 years ago. So I forgot, guys. So don't beat me up in the comments. Don't beat me up in the comments. So it looks like researchers looked at the risk and benefits of CBDC design while toying with the aspects of cryptography, distributed systems, and they've come to the conclusion that this is workable, it can be usable, and it can be used in conjunction with other cryptocurrencies. So this is really good. If the Fed does launch their own CBDC, this is just going to be a gateway, and because if everybody starts using the US CBDC and it's backed by the Fed Reserve, then that's going to be closing the gap between the fiat currency and the digital currency, because this is going to be the middle ground. So this is a catalyst. It's absolutely a catalyst. A lot of people are saying, what are you talking about? So let's take a look. Heat map in the house, guys, and it looks like BTC the heat map is looking pretty good. We got green everywhere, and the only thing that's down right now is the stable coin. So that is good news in the house. Let's take a look at the Doge Warrior. Doge Warrior is about to go crazy, and Doge Warrior is about to break past the 15-cent resistance. And once we get up there, once we get past 15 cents, so the next target is 16.55. So it looks like the Doge is absolutely starting to make a move, and I believe that Doge is going to go crazy, and I believe that Doge is going to go parabolic anytime soon. And don't forget, we got the Doge 1, we've got the Doge Space Cube that's going to go in lunar synchronous orbit. We've got a lot of nodes that are coming online. We've got a whole bunch of catalysts out there. We got the Ethereum bridge. We've got the Vitalik in the house, and we're moving to proof of a stake, guys and gals. So with all this catalyst, I'm expecting a parabolic moonshot for the Doge. Woof woof. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. I love it. You love it. So, guys, do not despair. Do not dismay that Dogecoin is here to stay, guys. Absolutely here to stay. And the summary, cryptocurrencies have given up, are trending towards giving up almost 221 gains. So cryptocurrencies, we've given up a lot of gains in 2021. We've come down from the top side. But, high inflation, slowing growth, and increasing interest rates are disastrous for technology assets, particularly for most innovative and disruptive technology. However, out there, the Dogecoin community is strong. Infrastructure and public image will allow it to survive the broader sector decline with a potential continued volatility. So, basically what this is saying is that, let's face the facts. There has been volatility. Dogecoin has gone down. It's gone down almost like 81% from its all-time highs. I'm not going to deny that. It did that. I'm not happy about it. I'm holding Doge, and, my Doge is down, down. Remember, I bought 4 million Doge at 0.0025, so I'm still in the money, but I could have had a lot more money. But guys, you do not lose money until you sell. So it's unrealized losses right now. But this community is strong. You're strong. I'm strong. And Elon Musk has big plans for the Dogecoin, and this is going to be the currency of the future. And this is what's going to make the bankless bankable. And we're going to see that with Starlink, people who are living on the top of mountains and don't have any infrastructure, they will be able to access the internet, and they're going to be able to do the Doge transactions anywhere on planet Earth, guys. And this is huge news, guys. So do not discount the Doge. Doge is not dead. Doge is absolutely going to go crazy, guys. Let's just take one look at it. Let's feel the love for the Doge, guys. Spread the love, spread the good vibes, and don't forget to smash the likes and comment, guys. And where's the super chats, guys? Give some super chats. That's all going to help the orphans here in Vietnam. So, go back and watch my previous video, the charity video, Doge doing good every day. It's a great video. It's a tearjerker. You're going to love it. So some other stuff that's coming out. It looks like the new new legislation limits the control the Treasury Department has on cryptos. So remember, there was this whole toxic legislation that was going out. That was the American Competes Act, and it went to the White House, and they removed that disastrous provision that would have allowed the Treasury Secretary to deep dive into crypto and look at, international crypto transfers, and they could have just killed the whole crypto innovation. So that is good news. That is done. That's gone. That's out of there. So we don't need that. Get out of there. So that is a positive win for the cryptocurrencies, and that is another reason why we're also seeing crypto has headed higher and higher. So it looks like TurboTax will let users deposit tax refunds into crypto accounts. So the software company has teamed up with Coinbase to allow users the option to convert their state and federal tax fund into cryptocurrency. So that is good news. That is bullish news. So that is cool news in the house. If you love that, smash the like, guys. Show some love and subscribe. YB out there. Now, this chart I did talk about yesterday, so I don't want to be repetitive in the house, but I think it's really important that we take a look at it. So you can see that, this chart is predicting that monthly is going to be huge in the house. So I'm very excited about that. You should be excited. Let's look at the leverage apes in the house. Let me give this a minute to refresh. Refreshy time. So I got super fast internet. I'm actually sitting in the office. So if you see the acoustics is not as good as my home studio. So I'm sitting in the office. The acoustics are so good. So right now we're seeing that we're seeing 72%, almost 73% of the leverage positions are short, so they got liquidated. So we're seeing $271 million of apes who got wrecked out there. So guys, it looks like they're going to be needing their bananas. And, I always tell you, stop leverage trading. It's not good, guys. So this is good, though. When we have short positions get liquidated in the house, often this can create a short squeeze environment, and that can help catapult the Bitcoin to outer space. And when that happens, you know what's going to happen. It means that the Dogecoin is going to go up, guys. So, I'm just waiting here excitingly, and we're seeing that second by second, minute by minute, hour by hour. We're seeing that the Doge is going to absolutely explode and go crazy in the house, guys. And I expect that we could be seeing 16 cents coming in. So it looks like we're having a huge Dogecoin pump it up weekend. Pump it up, Doge. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's sing that song, the song that we all love to live for. And we're seeing right now that the total on-chain value, let me just give a minty refresh on that right now. So we're seeing that the on-chain value right now is going uppity up, and that is because of all the crypto space. And you see that Ethereum is still has the largest amount of total value locked right now, followed by Luna, and Luna's up about 7.57% in the last 2 days, so that's cool. And BSC and Avalanche, and it looks like Phantom is losing some steam in terms of total TVL. So as Solana's coming back, we got Polymatic, Tron, Cronus, Polkadot in the house, Osmosis, Harmony. Yeah, Harmony's looking pretty good. We got Clay, Waves, Elrond in the house. So guys and gals, what you want to be looking at, as these are all the layer 1 protocols, and the total amount of locked TVL is growing day by day, second by second. So these are some of the things that you want to be looking at. This is not financial advice. So, I think that the layer 1, the solutions are going to be big in the house, and we're going to see these things continue to rise. We're also seeing a huge catalyst for the metaverse and gaming. I talked about Microsoft, Apple, Disney aping into it. Facebook, the Zuckerberg in the house, he kind of dropped the ball in this whole meta thing. I don't think he quite understands Web3 and all of that, and decentralization of web control. So, he's been doing pretty good for himself with a $1 trillion company. So it's time that he takes his lumps, guys. Woo, wee. So it looks like Ethereum has just broken past $3,000. I did tell you it was going to do that, and is now in the top side of our channel, guys. So this is looking very bullish, and this is a huge momentous occasion for Ethereum. So if all the Ethereum maxis and Ethereum apes out there are probably pretty excited. So hopefully this $3,000 level will hold. I mean, there might be some profit taken over the weekend because there might also be some FUD coming out this weekend, because often the whales, they try to drive prices down, and often you get a lot of FUD action out there on the weekend. So watch out for the FUD that may come out on this Saturday, guys. So the only Debbie Downer event that we got is we got the CPI data that's coming out on Thursday. So I think it's going to be worse than expected. I think so. But if not, if it comes out better than expected, this could send cryptos even higher and higher. So we're seeing that Phantom right now, price-wise, is at $2.16. So just round that up. So it's had some huge support here, and it looks like that our next target is going to be $2.37. So I'm pretty bullish about that, and we should absolutely start moving in conjunction with the Bitcoin. So that is good news in the house. Solana right now is at $116, so it's finding support at $103. Our next area of resistance is $127. So it's looking pretty good. We got a nice, beautiful upward channel line that is forming right here, and that should take us in that general direction. So let's keep an eye on that next couple of weeks and see what's going on. So let's take a look at the total market cap in the house, and it's looking pretty good. Looks like we could be getting close to $2 trillion in the house, and the volumes are going crazy, because we've been looking at volumes between 40 and 54 billion. Suddenly we got a spike in the house, and that is good. And a lot of that volume is pretty good. People are still aping into it. And as we see the fear and greed index go up, we're going to see the retail investors who've been hiding on the rocks, they're going to start aping back into crypto. They're going to FOMO in, and we're going to turn on the rocket boosters out there, and that's going to take us closer to the moon like never before in the house. So things are looking pretty good. We can see the crypto is up. Bitcoin is over 41,500. Ethereum, thank goodness, is over 3,000. That's a big psychological liftoff for Ethereum. We're seeing BNB is a whopping 12%. We're seeing ADAs up as well. So when ADA was below $1, I aped into that. I told you I would. So I'm up almost like 17-18%. So ding. So I'm feeling pretty fine. I'm pretty happy about that. And Solana is coming back, guys. My remaining Solana, I haven't sold it. So things are looking awesome in the house. I mean, there's nothing better than a green day. Nothing negative today. Things are looking pretty good. And we're seeing that the Doge is up 6.25%. Booyah in the house. And we're getting gingerly close to 15 cents. Doge is about to go crazy in the house, and I love it. And it looks like Shiba Inu is also, it's up 11.37%. So that is okay, guys. So hopefully the pre-markets will hold, and we won't have any kind of sudden weirdness going on, in the European regions, like, what I'm talking about. I don't want to say that, but, let's hopefully that doesn't break out to be anything nasty in the house in Eastern Europe. Is that? Yeah, Eastern Europe. That's what we're talking about. So far, we're still seeing that the futures are holding. The NASDAQ's up, guys. The NASDAQ is up. The S&P is up. I think the Dow futures is probably going to flip green pretty soon, guys. So if you love this channel like I love you guys, and I do love you guys like crazy, do go and follow me on my Twitter. Follow on my Twitter. And you guys can DM me on there if you have any questions. I mean, don't go nuts in the house on the questions. We've also got our Telegram group as well, which is free to join and free to get in. Of course, Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. We get the latest news, tricks and tips and all that kind of stuff in the house. So you want to go down to that. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likey, wikeys, or not. I mean, if you don't like the content, then you don't have to do anything, right? Subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to give a super chat. I love it. And don't forget to get a comment. Tell the YouTube AI how much you love this channel, guys. So please go down below every video. Check out the video links. The link to the Wi-Fi's channel is there. Support the channel. Become a Patreon member. The link is down there in the description. Buy the channel a coffee, guys. Come on, buy the channel a coffee. Show some support. And we've also got the merch down there. And guys and gals, girls and guys and aliens, go to OpenSea.io, Digital Asian. The links are, you can just click the link. Go if you're looking at getting some NFT action, buying some NFT. Go down there and check it out. You're gonna love it. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. And remember, note of caution: all of our videos are personal opinions. Do your own research. Never take one's personal opinions for financial advice. There are many strategies out there, and not one strategy fits all people. So, guys, do your own homework, do your own research, and go and check out Do We Feel Wifey's channel. You want to do that and go on there and subscribe. She's getting danger close to 1,000 subscribers. So go and do that right now. Let's take her over the top of 1,000 subscribers. I would love it. And don't forget to check out the merch. Get it while you can, guys. We got the mug, guys. The mug is full of love, it's full of joy, it's full of hope, guys. So get the merch, guys. Gear up with the OG gear. You know you want it. I want you to want it, guys. I absolutely want you to want it. So let's take one final look at the heat map. I'm feeling a lot of positivity when I see this heat map. You should be feeling pretty good out there. So all the Debbie Downers out there, be positive out there. And the Doge community, keep strong, keep positive. And remember, we're going to get there. Doge is about to go crazy. Doge is about to break out to the upside. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we're almost there. We're almost at 15 cents, guys. So let's do it, guys. God bless you. Peace out. See you in the next one. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!